unbox this thing, but I can't show the other side because it has all my info. So I'm just gonna cut this with these scissors right here. Okay, now I get to open it. This is one seal and it should pop right open. It's kind of dark in here actually. Oh. Now before we open this, we gotta go through the boring stuff first. So, you know, like the boring charger. No, okay, no, okay, no one cares about that. This is why we're here. Oh. Wow, this is smaller than I thought it would be. What the heck? This is like the smallest gaming computer I've seen in my life. It is so small. And has so much wrapping. Wow, the size is actually so small. I was expecting this to be like 10 times bigger. And voila. It is out of the package. Let's see, can I do one-handed? I can't even open it actually, wait. Oh, it is one-handed. Does it have juice? I don't think it has juice. Okay, it doesn't have juice, but yeah, that's the laptop. You know, you got on the side you have, the camera will not focus. There we go. Okay, you have USB-C, 2 USB 3.0 ports, or 3.1 or something. Kensington lock. And on the other side you have, this is like the charger to charge it. HDMI, USB-C, and headphone jack. And there's ventilation on here, over here, and back here. And also has quad speakers. So let me show it. There's a speaker down here, and then there's one when you open it up. I have to kind of open it with two hands, but the hinge is actually like good enough so you can open it with one hand. Like this. Like it's actually loose enough. Not loose, but I don't even know how to describe it. It's like the MacBook hinge where you open it and you can open with one hand. Oh, and these are other two speakers right here. And yeah, that's the computer. I wish I could boot it up, but it has no battery right now. Yeah.